Are you tired of presenting sales reports that put your audience to sleep? Do you want to create stunning presentations that capture attention and drive results? SlideTeam brings you content-ready and custom-made sales report PPT templates, the ultimate tool for sales professionals looking to impress stakeholders and close deals. Join us as we unveil the secrets to creating winning sales reports with this PPT bundle. Download this sales report deck and transform your selling strategy. This stunning PPT slide offers an accurate sales comparison between the current and previous year, with sales product categories also delineated. It presents an overview of revenue, new customers, gross profit, and customer satisfaction percentage. The slide's display of data is sure to inspire and engage sales professionals to drive their businesses to new heights. Using color-coded bar graphs, this PPT set illustrates your top 4 markets, products, and sales channels. It presents revenue and quantity comparisons in a visually striking format, enabling easy product and regional sales mix analysis. Use this PPT presentation to simplify the sales process map by breaking it down into 4 stages: lead generation, solution, deal closing, and program launch. The clutter-free layout offers a comprehensive overview of the sales process. This powerful PPT slide also allows you to evaluate sales funnel results on 5 major pieces: visitors, prospects, marketing qualified leads, sales qualified leads, and won deals. Track sales KPIs using these visually stunning bar graphs representing leads created, highlight sales ratios, top products in terms of revenue, and more. A game changer, indeed. Are you really progressing if you don't know where your competitors stand? Get a complete picture of how the sales performance of your rivals fares against yours using this dynamic design. Drawing up a sales report can become a headache if you don't have a predefined format to keep things in order. Fortunately, you don't have to experience it as long as you have our sales report PPT template to supplement and complement your efforts. For more such business-related presentations and templates, visit www.slideteam.net today.